Hello student, this is our 6th lecture for lesson number 6 superposition of wave of 12th standard as per new syllabus of Maharashtra State Board. We are going to study here what is mean by natural frequency and free vibration and force vibration. So at first we have to see here what is mean by natural frequency. The frequency at which an object tends to vibrate when hit, plucked, or somehow disturbed is known as its natural frequency. In these vibrations, the object is not under the influence of any outside force. Here we have considered one object that is fixed with a string, and this object is placed in equilibrium position or at its mean position, and if we have apply force or heat of that object, then it tends to move or try to move, and that frequency at that situation, that frequency of object is called as the natural frequency. Then here we have to discuss free vibrations and force vibrations. At first we have to discuss here free vibrations. When body is displaced from its equilibrium position and released, it makes oscillation due to restoring force. Such vibrations are called free vibrations. Suppose again we have considered this body is fixed with a string, and that body is displaced from its equilibrium position and release it. It makes oscillation due to restoring force, and that type of force is called free vibrations. The body vibrate with its own natural frequency here. The force does not continuously act on the body. See here, we have applied only one time force on that body. Continuously force does not act here. The amplitude of oscillation goes on decreasing and finally stop vibrations due to presence of air or frictional resistance. आपण एकचदा फोर्स अप्लाय करतोय, त्याच्यामुळे काय होतंय की ॲम्प्लिट्यूड ही हळूहळू ही जी ॲम्प्लिट्यूड आहे ही हळूहळू कमी होत 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 ही ॲम्प्लिट्यूड पूर्ण झिरो होईल. दॅट मीन्स दॅट oscillation goes on, amplitude of oscillation goes on decreasing and finally stop vibrating, and that is called as the damped vibration. Energy of vibrating body goes on decreasing and frequency of vibration also goes on decreasing. We have seen practically here that हे बघा आपण हा एक टॉप घेतलाय, तो टॉप या थ्रेडनी इथे आपण या थ्रेडचा सपोर्ट देऊन या टॉपला त्याच्या मीन पोझिशन पासून रिलीज करतो आहे आणि नंतर तो ऑसिलेट होतो आहे. एकदा त्याला ऑसिलेट केल्यानंतर तो कंटिन्युअसली ऑसिलेट होत 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 त्याची ॲम्प्लिट्यूड एका सर्टन पॉइंटला परत झिरो होते. दॅट इज कॉल्ड ॲज द फ्री व्हायब्रेशन. देन नेक्स्ट वी हॅव सीन हिअर फोर्स व्हायब्रेशन. What is mean by force vibration? The vibrations of body under action of external periodic force in which body vibrate with frequency equal to frequency of external periodic force other than natural frequency are called as the force vibrations. That means here again we have to consider same body. This is the mean position of that body, and if we apply force on that body after some time of interval, again we have apply force. That means here external periodic force is applied on the body. The body can vibrate with external periodic force frequency. The force continuously acts on the body. आपण परत त्या बॉडीला हिट करतोय, परत परत त्या बॉडीवर फोर्स अप्लाय करतोय. दॅट्स वाय द अँप्लिट्यूड ऑफ व्हायब्रेशन रिमेन्स कॉन्स्टंट. इट इज कॉल्ड ॲज अनडॅम्प्ड व्हायब्रेशन. द एनर्जी ऑफ व्हायब्रेटिंग बॉडी इज कॉन्स्टंट, कारण आपण त्या बॉडीला कंटिन्युअसली एक्सटर्नल पिरियडिक फोर्स प्रोव्हाइड करतोय. दॅट्स वाय अँप्लिट्यूड ऑफ फोर्स vibration depends upon difference in frequency of external periodic force and natural frequency of the body, and amplitude of applied force and damping also. परत आपण या टॉपचं एक एक्झाम्पल बघू. जर मी या टॉपला कंटिन्युअसली हिट केलं तर याची अँप्लिट्यूड ही कॉन्स्टंट राहील, अँड दॅट इज द एक्सटर्नल पिरियडिक फोर्स इज अप्लाइड on that top, and that is the force vibration. Okay, you understand that what is mean by free vibrations and force vibration. Now we have seen the difference between the free vibrations and force vibration. हा डिफरन्स तुम्हाला पेपरमध्ये 2 मार्कासाठी येत असतो. फ्री व्हायब्रेशन्स अँड फोर्स व्हायब्रेशन. इन फ्री व्हायब्रेशन्स आर प्रोड्युस्ड when a body is disturbed from its equilibrium position and released. Force vibrations are produced by an external periodic force of any frequency. To start free vibrations, the force is required initially. In force vibration, continuous external periodic force is required. If external periodic force is stopped, then force vibrations also stop. The frequency of free vibrations depends upon natural frequency. The frequency of force vibrations depends on the frequency of the external periodic force. Then energy of the body remains constant in the absence of friction, air resistance, etc. Due to damping force, total energy decreases. Here in force vibration, energy of body is maintained constant by external periodic force. Then next, in free vibrations, amplitude of vibration decreases with time. In force vibration, amplitude is small but remains constant as long as external periodic force acts on it. म्हणजे अँप्लिट्यूड जसा जसा आपण एक्सटर्नल पिरियडिक फोर्स ऍक्ट करत राहू त्याप्रमाणे अँप्लिट्यूड ही कॉन्स्टंट राहील. व्हायब्रेशन. नेक्स्ट, व्हायब्रेशन स्टॉप सूनर ऑर लॅटर डिपेंडिंग ऑन द डॅम्पिंग फोर्स. In force vibration, vibrations stop as soon as external periodic force is stopped. And example of force vibration, example of free vibration is oscillation of simple pendulum. And for force vibration, the vibration in a drill machine and in a washing machine are the example of force vibrations. परत एकदा लक्षात घ्या, फ्री व्हायब्रेशनचं एक्झाम्पल आहे ऑसिलेशन ऑफ सिंपल पेंडुलम, आणि फोर्स व्हायब्रेशनचं एक्झाम्पल आहे व्हायब्रेशन इन अ ड्रिल मशीन अँड इन अ वॉशिंग मशीन. दॅट आर द एक्झाम्पल ऑफ फोर्स व्हायब्रेशन. ओके students, you have learned that difference between the free vibrations and force vibration. Thank you.